Hey everyone, it's Britonny. Welcome home to Safe Haven and welcome to my empty apartment tour. So we just moved into this empty 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Alright, so since I brought you guys along apartment hunting and all of that, I thought it was only right that we do an empty apartment tour. So let's jump into that video right now. I'm standing in the kitchen, which is one of my most favorite parts of this house. This kitchen was newly renovated and fixed up, all of that, so that's good. That's like a main priority for me, like a nice kitchen. Okay, so let's jump right into the tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, guys. Thank you so much for all your support along this journey with me and all the encouraging tips and support from you guys. Let's get into it. All right, so right off the entry, this is the front door here. We're gonna go right into the kitchen, and I love this kitchen. It has white cabinets all around, and it says good space for storage, good space, you know, for food storage up here, all of that. I can store my appliances. I love here, like we started moving in a little bit because, you know, time and this lockdown that's coming. But yeah, this is really deep here, so I love that. Extra storage. Yeah, we have all that space up here on these top cabinets, and then down at the bottom here, this is where the water heater is. I don't really see much of that, and then we have these drawers here. Alright, but these drawers are actually my favorite ones. Pull this out here, and these ones like slide out like this. So yeah, I really love this kitchen. We have this nice sink, very deep, very important, and then you have this like side part over here. Yeah, so really nice. This is where you put the fridge, the stove, and then this is where the fridge would go. So right under this like little pantry type of thing, that's where the fridge would go. All right, so we're gonna go right into the living room. So here is where we would have like a dining area right here, and then in here is the wash area. Guys, I'm so sorry for the echo, but you know, it's like empty apartment, so it's gonna echo. So when we open these places here, you have like the wash area, storage space up here. Gotta get rid of those curtains, and that area for the washing machine. All right. And then this is the living room space. It's a really large living room because like this is where the living room starts. The dining area is here, continues into the living room. It's nice open space. Yeah. So yeah, I like it. And then we go into bedroom number 1 here. Alright, this is bedroom number 1. We have the AC, the fan. Alright, this is a pretty spacious bedroom. Let me give you guys like an overview of how spacious it is. Right. And then over here you have the closets. Behind the door there is a mirror. So hi. Yeah, that's behind the door, and then these are the closets. Open it up to show you guys. All right. So this closet does have like 2 rods there to hold, like, you know, clothes that can hang. And it also has like this built-in over here. You can put your bags, your shoes, jewelry. And then on top of the closet, there's also space for like storage. Probably like put like your suitcase up there. So yeah, I really like the closet. But there's more storage space. So if you come around here, there's also a linen closet right here. So that's another extra storage that, you know, can be used for towels, sheets, all of that. So that's good. And then from there, you just enter into the first bathroom. It has a tub setup, vanity, mirror, towel bar, your typical, just a bathroom. All right, then let's go over to the other bedroom. And this is the second bedroom, which is almost like a mirrored image of the first bedroom. So yeah, ceiling fan. We just put these curtains here for privacy when we're moving, but they're not gonna stay there. AC is there. Really nice space. Bedroom. Let me go all the way into the corner so I can show you what it looks like. Yeah. So yeah, pretty spacious. That was also really important too. It's not even showing you on camera how spacious it is, but it really is. And then behind this door, you also have a mirror. And you also have the exact same closet set up. So the built-ins over here, and then the two racks over here. In this room too, you also have the linen closet to the side. So that's additional storage. Again, for your sheets, towels, or anything you need to store. All right, and this is the bathroom set up here. This bathroom is actually larger than the other one though, right? So here you go. Alright, and of course, you know, under here in these cupboards, you have storage space and stuff. Alright. So you can go back into the living room. And that's it. Okay, so I just wanted to come and quickly say like other reasons why I chose this place. This place has nightly security, which is a plus, very important for safety in Jamaica. It also has lots of green areas, fruit trees, backyard, front yard, side yard, a gazebo. There's just a lot of things, storage, a lot of small things. Yeah, so with all those green areas, I can exercise, I can go outside, get some fresh air, chill on the outside. Also, it's a central location close to where I used to live, which is a plus, as that location was close to banks, supermarkets, a lot of amenities, very central. So I am happy with this choice that I made. Alright, so that's the end of the apartment tour, but I just wanted to come on and give like an encouraging word to persons who are seeking to move out, moving to your own place, or even moving with your boyfriend or a roommate, a housemate, or someone. Like, just moving out, it's a big step. It's not my first move, but like it doesn't get easier. Moving doesn't get easier. It comes with a lot of expenses, a lot of planning, but you can take that step if you want to just save up. Try to really live within your budget and within your means. Do not move somewhere that you cannot afford, all right? live within your means, your budget, continue to save, continue to plan. Like, you can move into the house that you want to, or the apartment that you want to whenever you're ready. You just save and work for it. Like this, like, I'm working like all the time, and that's the thing, that's what affords you like luxuries in life. Like, you have to grind, you have to hustle, you have to work. So just want to come give that encouragement to you guys. Like, everything is possible. Like, other persons right now, they may be living somewhere that they do not like, just go and hold it. But you will have the time when you can move out and do all the things that you really want to do. But sometimes you just have to just go and hold it for a little. We all know, we know that situation, you know, you just have to hold it sometime until better comes. And like, if you work for it, you can achieve it. If you believe in yourself, everything is possible. Alright, so don't take anything for granted also. Do not take anything for granted. Just keep leveling up, going higher, doing better for yourself. That's the way to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.